you can't take that.
Paul, listen, health and safety, go on, this is part 2.
Yeah, but so,
You need army control.
all controls. Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to press your reset button.
Reset, yeah. And
Hold
then,
the glass.
it's just a drill, it's just a drill.
Oh, right.
A drill, it sounds like an alarm to me.
And then put back to normal. But what we need to do with this, because every week when we do it, you need to test different.
Every week. I can't remember it going off last week, Paul,
I think
to be fair.
that's true.
This is actually the first week we've done it. So we need to number. We need to number these.
Right.
Huh?
We need to number these. We could have this.
What? That's wrong.
No, just put a number there.
Alright, okay.
A piece of paper laminated, number 1. And I don't know how many we've got. What we'll do, I'll go around and check the building. But if we've only got one, we've only got one.
We have only got one panel.
No, we've only got one of them, but there will be
Sorry, Paul.
a few of these. You need to test them. So obviously we're now away next week.
Yeah, I will.
Down to Deverton, and obviously we'll keep the kilt there so it don't get lost. Yeah, so that's the first test done on the fire alarm.
Complete.
Now we're signing off.
Yeah.
This is Paul Jackson,
Yeah.
health and safety representative
Yeah.
at Stevenson.
And his assistant then was so recorded.
Be safe.